Hello dear student, we extend a cordial welcome to you in our classroom. We are Punya Study Center. Today we are going to learn about the format of capital account, balance sheet and partners loan account in case of partnership firm. As I have told you in our last lecture that firm has or a partnership firm has two options, either to maintain capital account as per fixed capital account method or to maintain its capital account as per flexible capital account method. When the firm decides to follow fixed capital account method, it has to maintain two accounts, namely capital account and current account. Capital of partners is not allowed to be changed year after year or it remains constant. For the time being, the partner is the part and parcel of partnership firm. Annual transactions or their annual charges and entitlements are given effect through their current account. In this case, capital account can never have debit balance, whereas the current account may have both debit as well as credit account. Generally they are having credit, but somehow it is also possible that they are going to have debit account. That means the partner has withdrawn more than what he earned during the year or over previous year's profit. In case firm decide to follow or maintain its capital account as per flexible capital account method, it has to maintain only one account, namely capital account. It starts with the opening balance and it ends with closing balance. Besides, annual transactions are also given effect through this current account itself. That's why capital of the partners keep changing from year to year. In this case, partner capital account may have debit as well as credit balance. Very first, I have made here the format of accounts, capital account as well as current account in case partnership firm decide to follow the fixed capital account method. So very first, it will have to draw partners capital account like initial capital that are introduced by them at the time of incepting or starting partnership. This capital remain constant or same year after year, unless and otherwise we either introduce additional capital or permanently withdraw already invested capital. For example, here we are having two partners, namely A and B. These are the initial capital introduced by each of these partners. A has introduced rupees 80,000 and B has introduced rupees 60,000. In case when neither they introduce additional capital during the year nor they make any permanent withdrawal, the closing balances are going to be same as rupees 80,000 and 60,000 respectively for A and B. So total would also be same as 80,000, 60,000, 80,000 and 60,000. Here we always write the opening balance in the beginning of year by balance sheet. Closing balance will be carried forward from the debit side of partners capital account. Whatever annual transactions, annual entitlements, share in profit and losses and charges payable by them will be recorded through current account. Current account may also have their own balance. They may have debit as well as credit balance too. So if we are having debit balance, we'll write here to balance BD. Generally you will find current account with a credit balance, but somehow they may also experience debit balance as well. As I have told you, here we will write balance BD, that means previous year's profits or entitlements carried forward to this year, or brought forward to this year, they are brought forward, that means they are bring forward from the previous year and these are carried forward taken to the next year. Here we are having interest on capital if provided in partnership deed, partner salaries. Here you need to keep in mind all partner may or may not have same kind of entitlement. In case they are not having same kind of entitlement, some of the partners will find to have entitlement of salaries, other may have entitlement of commissions or interest. So whatever is being laid in the partnership deed, we need to comply all those conditions. Here we can write interest on capital that comes here from the profit and loss appropriation account debit side. Here we are having partners salaries. If they are having any salary entitlement, it too comes from the debit side of P&L appropriation account. Partners commission, if partners do have similarly entitlement for commission on sales or on net profit, both kind of commissions are possible. This is the divisible profit that every partner or each partner has got from the profit and loss appropriation account if the profit was more than their entitlement. Here we have mentioned the drawings by each of the partner as well as interest on drawing that is charged on them. It is to be deducted from their capital or current account. In case of we are following fixed capital account, it is to be deducted from the current account. In case we are following flexible capital account, it is to be charged from the capital account itself. Here we are having loss as per profit and loss appropriation accounts. If we had net loss or entitlements, interest on capital was more than what we had profit, in that case we could have divisible loss, and divisible loss will be transferred from the P&L appropriation credit side to partners current account debit side or partners capital account debit side. Here we will have balance carried forward to be taken to the next year or balance sheet of the current accounting year. In case we decide to follow flexible capital account method, we will maintain a single account called partners capital account. Here we need not to maintain a current account to show the treatment of annual transactions like interest on capital, salaries, commission, interest on drawings, etc. But we will use a single account called capital account in order to provide annual benefits and to charge annual charges like interest on drawings and deduct drawings amount withdrawn by them from their capital account itself. That is why the initial balance of capital keep on changing when we are following capital account or flexible capital account. The balance of partners capital account may have debit as well as credit balance. Moreover, you will find with the credit balance, but somehow a partner may have debit balance too. In that case, if he is solvent, he will bring in additional cash required. If he has become insolvent, the loss or quantum of loss on his insolvency will be bared by remaining partners in their capital ratio as per Garner versus Murray rule. Or loss of realization account in case of we are going for liquidation of partnership firm or partnership. Realization loss will be bared by partners in their profit and loss sharing ratio, and they will bring in that quantum of loss in cash. But loss of capital account in case of insolvency will always be bared by them in their capital ratio, not in profit and loss sharing ratio. Here we are having opening balance of capital from previous year, interest on capital if there is provisions in partnership deed, partner salaries, partner commission, and share in annual divisible profit. So we are having drawings, or we can also write here if any partner have had any debit balance which will be brought forward to, it is the debit balance of either partner capital account. Drawings will be subtracted from the credit balance. Interest on drawing will also to be subtracted. Always remember one thing, whatever benefit the partners are entitled to or whatever charge the firm is entitled to collect from them are always given, or in maximum cases given effect through their capital account. Neither they are provided cash benefit nor they are charged with the cash amount. If we have to collect something from them, we have to recover something from them, we will recover it through capital or current account, and if we have to provide them too, that is to be also given effect through capital or current account. In this case, when we are following fixed capital account method, if partners decide, for example, A decide to introduce 20,000 additional capital during the year. So here you will write only for additional capital by bank. 20,000 he has introduced further capital, so his capital at the end of year would be rupees 1 lakh. Here we need to say now his capital has increased to rupees 1 lakh. Whereas we decided to make a permanent withdrawal of rupees 20,000, so his capital will reduce by 20,000 to bank 20,000 rupees. Now closing balance would be 40,000. In this way, you are to give effect to the adjustment. In fixed capital account method, only permanent additions and permanent withdrawals are to be considered. Otherwise, the balance, opening balance and closing balance are going to be same. No annual adjustment are given effect through capital account. We have to maintain separate account called partners current account in order to show the effect of annual transactions towards their benefit or towards their inverse. In case we are following flexible capital account method, we need to prepare a single account called partners capital account. All the transactions as well as balances are shown through this account. Here we can have credit as well as debit balance. In this case, we would have always credit balance of capital account, but credit balance and debit balance may be experienced by partners current account. Now we are going to learn about the format of partners loan and partnership firm balance sheet. फॉर्मेट प्रोवाइड किया गया है पार्टनर्स लोन अकाउंट का और पार्टनरशिप फॉर्म की बैलेंस शीट का। सबसे पहले स्टार्ट करते हैं पार्टनर्स लोन अकाउंट के साथ। ये वो लोन है जो किसी पार्टनर ने फॉर्म को एक्सटेंड किया है। जब भी कोई पार्टनर फॉर्म को लोन देता है तो यहाँ हमारे पास कैश या बैंक अवेलेबल हो जाता है इन द स्टॉक ऑफ फॉर्म। यहाँ हम लिखेंगे बाय बैंक अकाउंट। फॉर एग्जाम्पल ए ने 50,000 रुपए का लोन फॉर्म को एक्सटेंड किया तो यहाँ हम 50,000 लिखेंगे। पार्टनर्स की लोन की केस में क्या हमारे पास प्रोविजन होता है रिगार्डिंग टू इंटरेस्ट ऑन पार्टनर्स लोन और एडवांस? कम से कम हमें 6% वार्षिक दर से ब्याज देना ही पड़ेगा। अगर पार्टनरशिप डीड में 6% से ज्यादा दर मेंशन कर रखी है तो हम उस रेट को फॉलो करेंगे। मतलब 6% या उससे ज्यादा जो भी रेट हमारी हायर है उसी को हमें फॉलो करना पड़ता है एनुअल इंटरेस्ट को प्रोवाइड करने के लिए। वो एक हमारा चार्ज होता है, मतलब बैलेंस फॉर्म के लिए वो एक एक्सपेंस होता है। हमेशा कहा जाता है पार्टनर्स प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट के डेबिट साइड में जाता है। वो यहां पर हम क्या लिखेंगे, पहले तो पार्टनर को लोन मिलेगा, इंटरेस्ट में उसका एंटरटेनमेंट क्रिएट हो जाएगा बाय इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन। सपोज यहां हम 6% पर एनम ही लगा रहे हैं, ये मानते हुए कि पार्टनर ने लोन 1 अप्रैल होकर कंसर्न ईयर को प्रोवाइड कर दिया था। तो 6% की दर से यहां हमारा इंटरेस्ट कितना बनता है 3,000 रुपीज। एट द एंड बैलेंस हमारा शो कर रहा है टोटल 53,000। अब हमारे पास ऑप्शन है, या तो हम ये इंटरेस्ट कैश में प्रोवाइड कर दें या फिर हम पार्टनर के लोन को इंक्रीज कर लें और नेक्स्ट ईयर इंस्टेड ऑफ 50,000 हमें 53,000 पे इंटरेस्ट प्रोवाइड करना पड़ेगा। अगर फर्म डिसाइड करती है कि ये जो इंटरेस्ट है इसको हम एनुअली कैश में पे करते रहे तब ये प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट के डेबिट साइड में भी जाएगा और यहाँ भी टू कैश के नाम से आएगा। या यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं 2P&L अकाउंट ₹3,000। अब हम क्या करेंगे, बैलेंस काउंट करेंगे, वही हमारा 50,000 करंट ईयर का जो क्लोजिंग बैलेंस होता है नेक्स्ट ईयर में जाके हमारा बैलेंस बीडी क्रिएट हो जाता है, दैट इज 15,000। नेक्स्ट ईयर में और सब्सिक्वेंट ईयर में हम इसी प्रोसेस को रिपीट करते रहेंगे कब तक, जब तक हमारे लोन अकाउंट को सेटल नहीं कर दिया जाता या रिपे नहीं कर दिया जाता। फॉर एग्जाम्पल फाइनली हमने डिसाइड किया कि करंट अकाउंटिंग ईयर के एंड में हम लोन को सेटल कर देंगे, तो यहाँ हम टोटल करेंगे एट द एंड ऑफ ईयर या कभी भी जब हम इस लोन को सेटल करना चाहते हैं। अगर हम इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ नेक्स्ट ईयर सेटल करना चाहते हैं तो हमें कोई इंटरेस्ट प्रोवाइड करने की आवश्यकता नहीं है, लेकिन अगर एट द एंड ऑफ ईयर हम सेटल करेंगे तो हमें इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन भी प्रोवाइड करना पड़ेगा उस पीरियड तक जिस पीरियड तक हमने लोन को यूज किया है। यहाँ हम बिगिनिंग में ही इसको रिडीम कर रहे हैं, रिपे कर रहे हैं, तो यहाँ लिखेंगे टू कैश अकाउंट ₹50,000। इस वर्ष हमें कोई इंटरेस्ट प्रोवाइड करने की आवश्यकता नहीं है, लोन अकाउंट हमारा क्लोज हो जाएगा। लोन अकाउंट की आवश्यकता हमें फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ पार्टनर्स अकाउंट में भी पड़ती है, एडमिशन, रिटायरमेंट, डेट रेजोल्यूशन ऑफ पार्टनरशिप फर्म, हर जगह पे आपको इसकी आवश्यकता पड़ेगी। ये हमारा सबसे इंपोर्टेंट अकाउंट है पार्टनर्स कैपिटल करंट और एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट के बाद। यहाँ पर हमें बैलेंस शीट का फॉर्मेट दिया गया। सबसे पहले आप कैपिटल अकाउंट के बैलेंस लिखेंगे। अगर हमारे पास फिक्स कैपिटल अकाउंट मेथड है तो दो तरह के बैलेंस मिलेंगे, कैपिटल अकाउंट का बैलेंस अलग मिलेगा हमेशा क्रेडिट, और करंट अकाउंट का बैलेंस भी मिलेगा जो डेबिट भी हो सकता है हमारा और क्रेडिट भी, ज्यादातर क्रेडिट मिलेगा। अगर किसी पार्टनर ने ज्यादा विड्रॉ कर लिया तो उसका बैलेंस डेबिट हो सकता है जो एसेट साइड में शो किया जाएगा। यहाँ पर हमें बैंक लोन, पार्टनर लोन, जैसे इन्हें लोन प्रोवाइड कर रखा है फर्म को, वो हमारी लायबिलिटी हमें पेबैक करना है। क्रेडिटर्स, आउटस्टैंडिंग एक्सपेंस, एडवांस इनकम एंड बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट। हियर वी आर हैविंग मोस्ट फिक्स्ड एसेट्स स्टार्टिंग विद, क्योंकि ये हमारी रिजिडिटी के ऑर्डर में बैलेंस शीट हमने तैयार कर रखी है। सबसे पहले लिखा लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग, प्लांट एंड मशीनरी। अगर गुडविल हमारे पास है तो वो एट द टॉप मोस्ट लिखी जाएगी। प्लांट एंड मशीनरी, मोटर व्हीकल, इक्विपमेंट, इन्वेंटरीज, इन्वेस्टमेंट, डेटर्स, बिल्स, रिसीवेबल, अक्रूड इनकम। अगर कोई इनकम हमने अर्न कर ली है, मिली नहीं है, रिसीवेबल है येट, तो वो हमारी करंट एसेट्स काउंट होती है। प्रीपेड एक्सपेंसेस एंड पार्टनर्स करंट अकाउंट। या अगर हम फ्लेक्सिबल कैपिटल अकाउंट मेंटेन करते हैं तो वहां हमारे कैपिटल अकाउंट का बैलेंस भी डेबिट हो सकता है। इन केस में यहाँ पार्टनर्स के कैपिटल अकाउंट का बैलेंस भी आ सकता है बिसाइड्स करंट अकाउंट बैलेंस। हम उसको टाइम अलाउ करेंगे कि विद इन दैट टाइम ही हैज अथॉरिटी और ही हैज राइट टू मेक हिज कैपिटल अकाउंट बैलेंस फेवरेबल बाय इंट्रोड्यूसिंग फ्रेश कैश, अदरवाइज ही विल बी ousted from the partnership under section 33, or he may be declared as insolvent if he approaches to the court of law. He doesn't have capacity to repay the loan. This is all about, we have learned all the formats of accounts which we are to maintain in case of partnership firm. In our next lecture, we will be learning about important adjustments that are to be given effect through all these accounts. If you really enjoyed our lecture, you should subscribe, like and share this video, and don't forget to comment us if you have any doubt. Till we come out with our next lecture, have a good time.